In Buzz, we have what are called blogs or journals. Your teacher may ask you to record your thoughts and insights regarding subject matter in either a blog or a journal. Click on the activity, read your teacher's instructions, and then at the bottom, when you're ready, you can create a new post. You can give it a title and any tags or excerpts the teacher suggests depending on the subject, and then create your post. You can use the text box to change your text options or to insert a link. When you're ready, click Save. Your post will then display and will also show any posts you have on the dates that you posted them. It's important to note that if it's a journal, it is only visible between you and the teacher.